Not far at all from the Whole Foods here in Santa Clara, combined with the Bay Club, Nvidia, Apple, Google, you name it. It's all super close to one of Santa Clara's finest neighborhoods homes here on Pilot Knob. Custom finishes like this modern frosted pane glass door, contemporary finishes throughout. You have hardwood floors refinished, 4-inch LED can lighting, crown molding throughout, two-tone paint, custom rattan designer light fixture in the dining area, painted cabinets, matte black faucet with matching matte black dish soap dispenser, stainless sink, and we have an oversized glass door to the rear, floating modern vanities throughout with vessel sinks, pill-shaped mirrors, modern designer and light fixtures, micro cement throughout with no grout lines, adding a modern touch for waterproofed, high-end luxury custom look. Thousands of dollars to a professional landscape designer for front and back with a custom paver walkway leading right to the front door. Brand new hardscape driveway pavers in the front yard as well. No one's expecting a full dining experience at open house, but don't bite into any of these fake lemons. Swing by for open house this weekend, 1 to 4 p.m. Saturday, Sunday.